Hey, it's Alan with Impressive Inspections. Today I want to show you in about 5 to 10 minutes how to create a repair request with our HomeGauge software. So let's log into the Impressive Inspections portal on HomeGauge, and you'll get a copy of this link with your report and your username and password after your inspection is completed. And we'll go ahead and sign in. I got a test account here with 2 reports. I'm going to go ahead and open this one here. To view the details, use that big orange button that says View Details. All right, so once we're in here, you'll get the cover picture of your house. You can review the inspection report. You can forward it to someone, and you can also see the invoice and forward that along to someone as well. As you can see, this one has a lot of repair requests, so we'll go ahead and create a new list. Call it whatever you want. My repairs for XYZ Street. All right, create new list. Once you're in here, it's going to ask you, do you want to use the whole report or do you just want to use the summary items only? So we'll just use the summary items only. And then it pulls in all the pictures that we take, all the comments that we make right in this portal for you. So you have the option to accept this as is or add it to your list. So this is a roof situation where it had some damaged shingles, missing shingles. Let's go ahead and add that to the list, and we want it repaired. And if you want a specific company to come out, you just say XYZ Roofing to come out and repair damaged sections of roof. Period. Save request. All right. Next thing. Oh, we got, looks like some staining in the attic space. Looks like some bathroom vent that is discharging into the attic, causing a potential mold situation. So we can either accept it as is or add it to the list. So we'll go ahead and add this to the list. And let's say we just want it repaired and we want XYZ mold remediation to test and remediate mold in the attic. All right, or you may have to call it organic growth if you have not tested it. You get the idea. All right, save request. Looks like some J channel under the sliding glass door detached. That seems like a pretty easy fix, but you can always add it to the list. Some damage to the improperly installed trim. Okay, we saw this coming into the house. All right, some wavy siding. Yeah, we saw that too. And some painting that needs to be done. Okay, that's a weekend thing. Some slab that has been settled. Yeah, we saw that. Okay. Oh, some railing that might need to be in place. This is a good spot to, if you are getting a VA, FHA, or other government-backed loan, to add this to your list right away and repair. So a lot of times FHA, VA, all the government-backed stuff requires a railing for stairs for areas with more than 4 stairs. So repair request for railing along front steps, and then we can even say repair per loan predications. So if you know that that's going to be happening anyway, and you know that it's going to be an issue, you can put it here and get it going. So we'll save that request. Some electrical stuff. Again, we can as is accept it or add it to the list. And I know there was a few other electrical items here, so let's go ahead and add it to the list. We're going to ask for monetary value for this and say, you know what, we think all the electrical work here is going to cost $1,200. And then I'm just pulling that number right out of my kazoo, and I don't know how much it's going to cost or what, but so we can comment. We want to cap the exposed electrical conductor in the basement or crawl space. Reattach the electrical box on the back of the house. GFIs, whatever electrical stuff you can include in here, and say, you know what, I think it's going to cost this much to repair, and go ahead and do that. So go ahead and save request. And then, some insulation around, that's not a big deal. Sump pump that doesn't work. Yeah, I'd rather not have my basement flooded. So let's go and replace the sump pump. Replace non-functioning sump pump. Wow, my spelling is terrible today. So sorry about that. Save request. And here's that item on the electrical meter and shutoff that needs to be done. So it will still add it to the list, but hit the repair. Some extension cord wiring in the garage. We'll still add that to the list and hit repair. Included in monetary request prior. So that way they know that we're not asking for more stuff. We'll accept that. Okay, so now we're at the end screen here where you can continue editing request. If you forgot something, you can go ahead and pull this down and say, you know what was that item? Okay, we got it. Good. And now we can view that request list. And you can send it via email. You can download it as a PDF. But here is the document that it generates for you. It pulls in your request, your comments. It pulls in the inspector's comment, so there's no loss of translation between what the inspector says and what you requested. All the pictures are here, and then it gives you a nice summary. Let me move my face out of the way. A nice itemized totals of any monetary requests down here. So repair request 5, replacement requested item 1. So all kinds of fun stuff that you can do here. So we hit the send list. Gives you an option to email it to anyone you want with an email address, or download the PDF, and it pulls that all together for you in a nice printable format. So I hope that helps. I hope that saves you a ton of time.